శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 794th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం Aranya Parvam, 33rd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, come on, get your happiness back, get your enthusiasm back, and give up all this restless mind, give up your deteriorated mind, and get your valor back, and now be ready to fight with anyone who comes to face us. O Dharmatma Dharmaja, nobody can conquer this entire earth just with nahi kevala dharmatma prithivim jatu kaschana. Only with dharmam nobody can conquer this world. Nobody can gain Rajya Lakshmi, Aishwarya Lakshmi only by observing dharmam. As and how a hunter shows something and kills the animals, just like that, every king is supposed to be following the same style and show something to enemies and kill the enemies. Even Devatas also cheated Asuras and conquered them. O Raja Dharmaja, now you have to understand only those who are strong. It is their success. They will be succeeded in every aspect and they will gain everything. So you have to follow that rule. You have to you have to manipulate the enemies and conquer them. You have both of us, myself and Arjuna. Nahi Arjuna samah kaschit yudhi yodha dhanurdharaha bhavita va puman kaschit mat samo va gadadharaha. There is no such great archer like Arjuna in the past and it is never going to be in the future. So also like me, Gadadhari never was before and nor going to be in future. So both of us are with you. O Pandunandana Dharmaja, anyone has to gain, has to be succeeded only with Atma Balam, willpower. So you please get your willpower back and be alert and be enthusiastic. For every wealth, Atma Balam is very important. Just like as and how anyone who spends some money, who invests some money and tries to gain more money, just like that, you have to invest your this little bit of dharmam and you need to gain your greater dharmam, that is Kshatriya dharmam. Like that, Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.